This beautiful plant-based flatbread is topped with beet hummus, grilled and fried eggplant, and a tahini aioli sauce. Let's start with the beet hummus. Here I have some beets that I've roasted, peeled, and diced, as well as some cooked chickpeas. Place the diced beets in a food processor and puree for several minutes until very smooth. Add the chickpeas into the food processor, along with some tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt. Run on high for several minutes, stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally. The beets give the hummus a beautiful color and a sweet, earthy flavor. Drizzle the olive oil into the puree as it's running until the hummus is very smooth. Set this aside. Next, we'll prepare the tahini aioli sauce. Combine Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise, tamari, garlic paste, and tahini together. This sauce adds a creamy pop of umami to the flatbread. Place this into a squeeze bottle. Lastly, we'll prepare the eggplant. Over medium to high heat, grill the eggplants until they are well charred and soft. I'm using Chinese eggplants here, but you can use any variety. Remove the eggplant from the grill and allow them to cool to where you can handle them. Peel the eggplants, keeping the stem attached. Gently open the eggplant to widen it and even out the thickness. At service, season the eggplants with salt and pepper and dredge them lightly in the flour. Pan fry the eggplant to a deep golden brown on each side. Remove the stems. I have a hot 8x6-inch flatbread here, and we'll start by topping it with our beautiful beet hummus. Next, top the flatbread with the grilled and fried eggplant and a drizzle of olive oil and the tahini aioli. Top the flatbread with microgreens and serve immediately. The delicious combination of flavors on this flatbread offer a nice balance of earthy flavors and creamy textures. This flatbread can be served as an individual entree or also as a shared starter.